Hello everyone, I'm Jordan Abadea. Thanks for joining us. 3 local cases were recently heard in DuPage County Court. A 46-year-old Hanover Park man working for Naperville company DND International Incorporated has pled not guilty after a fatal crash on I-88 involving his semi resulted in the death of a tollway worker and the injury of a state trooper. Renato Velasquez is charged with 10 counts, including violating the motor carrier safety law, operating in an ill or impaired state, falsifying his logbook, failure to comply with hours of service requirements, failure to reduce speed to avoid an accident, and failure to yield to stationary emergency vehicles. Police say Velasquez crashed into a police car with lights flashing and a tollway service truck, which had stopped to aid a disabled semi, causing both vehicles to burst into flames. The January 27th crash killed 39-year-old tollway worker Vincent Petrella of Wheeling and seriously injured 38-year-old state trooper Douglas Balzer from Oswego. Velasquez is out on bond. His next appearance is set for April 14th. Also arraigned was a Naperville man accused of killing his roommate, whom he just found through Craigslist. 21-year-old Grant Van Muren pled not guilty to all charges, which included first-degree murder along with robbery, arson, and concealment of a homicide. The body of 55-year-old Charles Clark was discovered at his townhouse on Vale Court on January 22nd. Clark had been strangled to death and the residence had been filled with natural gas from the stove, presumably in a failed attempt to conceal the crime by blowing up the home. Van Muren's attorney filed a reciprocal discovery order to go over paperwork from the prosecution. Van Muren is being held in DuPage County Jail. He will be back in court for a bond reduction hearing on April 10th. And the Wisconsin man accused of threatening North Central College via social media must now undergo a psychiatric evaluation as of his latest status hearing. Aiden Kahn is currently out on bail and had pled not guilty to 2 counts of making a false report of a threat to a school building or person. For disturbing posts on a Facebook page about North Central College he allegedly created and operated in early 2013. College officials reported the page had no connection to North Central. Kahn, who was never a student at the institution, will have a mental evaluation before his next court date on April 28th.